I was driving the most dangerous road here in Greece on the edge of the mountain. But I saw something in the chart, guys. Never use your phone when you're driving. Only if Bitcoin is actually about to break through. And this is what I feel is happening right now in the market. And that's why I'm giving you this video right now. So let's jump straight into the chart. This is an important day for all Bitcoin and crypto holders because today the 1 week cycle finally reversed to the upside right here. And it's currently on the way to the 80. As you can see, the 2 week cycle, it's already preaching the 80 and it's going to 90, which means that we are at the verge of a Bitcoin explosion. We will go to the upside. We are going to form a local top right now within the next 4 weeks. This is the most probable scenario for Bitcoin. If you take a look, every single time it happened the same. Now, the 1 week cycle goes above 80, the 2 week cycle goes above 80, and the price explodes to the upside, makes a local top. We open a short here, and we go to the bottom. And we rinse and repeat. This is actually where the biggest money in crypto is made. And this is actually the easiest money with the lowest amount of risk. Look, again, the 1 week cycle went up, the 2 week cycle went up. Then the 1 week cycle went to the bottom, Bitcoin consolidated within this time, and then the final explosion before a top and a consolidation and a bearish retracement. Multiple times. This happened all over different cycles. I mean, you can go to the past and check everything. If you want access to these indicators to see when we're going to top and when we're going to bottom, all you have to do, you go to strategymaster.io. You go to this website, strategymaster.substack.com or strategymaster.io, and you read the newest articles where I go all over cycles and I explain what we can expect from Bitcoin, why the super cycle theory is as close as it never been. Yes, we might have a super cycle. It means we're going to make so much more money in Bitcoin in comparison to the last cycles. And also, we're going to talk about how to actually profit in the short term and not only in the long term. Now, coming back to TradingView, going to the current situation. Now, what we can expect from Bitcoin, we can expect a very short-term retracement to the downside, maybe even 404K, maybe even 104 or 105K. And from there, we are going to go to the final local top. I cannot say that this is the final blow of top of the cycle. We might just retrace to the downside once again, retracing the 1 week cycle, retracing the 2 week cycle, and then rinse and repeat the same in October or November. We are going to make a 2 week cycle bottom, which means that we are going to top bottom locally. Okay, we don't know what the price will be. Maybe it will be 90K, maybe it will be even below 80K, or maybe it will be 150K. And we don't really care because all we care is time. Now, we buy at the 2 week cycle low, we wait until the 1 week cycle also reaches low, and then we hold until both cycles goes to the upside. That's how we make the easiest amount of money, and that's how we can consistently outperform the market. That's what we want to achieve. Now, this is the most interesting part actually now in the crypto market. We are going to perform really well. Now, if I change the cycle indicators to 4 hours and I switch the time frame to 4 hours as well to see the more short-term expectation from Bitcoin, we see that we are in a bearish downturn in the short-term time frame. That's why the price is falling down. Whenever you use the cycle indicators, you can actually explain why we're going up and why we are going down, because everything depends on the cycles. There are no narratives. Narratives are simply driven by cycles. Okay, now check previously, exactly the same. We made a bottom in the indicator, and then went up. So get access to this indicator, and you will be able to know when to buy and when to sell Bitcoin. Register for an exchange in the description down below. Apply the cycle indicators and make money together with me. Whatever happens, if you're driving, if you're skiing, if you're jumping from a parachute, never fade the crypto market. No, obviously, I'm joking, right? You should never put your danger in life. You should always stop and then only trade crypto. But that's the proof that you don't need to sit on your laptop. You can travel the world and you can trade crypto straight from your phone using the application of your favorite exchange. I don't endorse any exchange. You can use any exchange you want. Just forget. Check the link in the description down below if you want to have the highest bonus. It's only in the description tab. See you in the next.